Things are evolving rapidly. Industrial methods must become increasingly efficient, all while ensuring sustainability remains a top priority. At 4D Pioneers, we are pleased to introduce our hybrid machine, the 4Prime. We offer an additive manufacturing solution that combines innovation and sustainability. Pioneers.